In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center an image in Webflow using an easy step-by-step tutorial for 2025. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account and open the project where you'd like to center an image. Once you've done that, navigate to the designer. This is the area where you'll find the element you want to work on. By accessing the designer, you can see all your project components, giving you a clear view of where you'd like your image positioned. Now let's get that image set up. Head over to the Add panel, which you can access by pressing A. From there, simply drag an image element directly onto your canvas, positioning it where you initially want your image to appear. Once your image element is in place, you have the option to upload a new image or select an existing one from the Assets panel. Choose your desired image, which will populate in the image element you just added. To keep things organized and ensure reusability, it's a good idea to assign a class to your image. Click on the image and then go to the Style panel. Here, you can create a new class name. Let's use Centered Image as an example. This step ensures the styles you apply here can be used across different parts of your project if needed. Next up, we're going to use Flexbox to center the image, a method that's highly recommended for its simplicity and effectiveness. Start by selecting the parent container of your image. It's essential because Flexbox applies its properties to a container, affecting the items within. In the Style panel, locate the Layout section. Here, you're going to set the display to Flex. This setup will allow you to center the image easily. Once you have Flex enabled, look for the alignment tools. For horizontal alignment, set Justify to Center. This step will ensure your image is perfectly centered along the horizontal axis. For vertical alignment, set Align to Center as well. This action aligns the image centrally within the vertical space of the parent container. And just like that, your image is now perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically. Lastly, let's preview your hard work. Click on the preview button, the eye icon, to see how your image is centered across different devices like desktop, tablet, and mobile. It's crucial to check each view to ensure the responsiveness of your design. If you find that something isn't quite right, feel free to adjust the container size, margins, or tweak the Flexbox settings to perfect the layout. And there you have it, all the steps to efficiently center an image in Webflow. I hope this tutorial has made the task a breeze for you. Thanks for watching and happy designing!